Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's see the today's problem. The today's problem is sunny or rainy. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Before that, if you are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here you can see that we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is you are given a string S which represents a weather forecast for 7 days. Okay, starting from tomorrow. Okay, the ith of those 7 days forecast to be sunny. Okay, if the character of S is to be O, small O. Okay, and the rainy if that the character is small x. Okay, tell us whether the nth day is a forecast to be sunny. Okay, in the input we have given a single integer and a one string. Okay, so simply in this problem what we have to do, we have given one string and one integer. Okay, which is n. Okay, and we have to check that this nth day or uh, this nth day, uh, we have to tell the forecast of that day which we have given. Let's suppose we have given the 2, then we have to tell that the forecast of the second day uh, using the string which we have given. Okay, and there is the forecast we have given two forecasts, that is sunny and uh, that rainy. Okay, so if the character in the string is small o, then the forecast should be sunny. Okay, and if the character of the string is small x, then the forecast should be rainy. Okay, and we have to tell that uh, the we have given one day or n integer number. Okay, so we have to tell that on that day the forecast is sunny or not. Okay, so uh, let's remove this part first. Okay, and let's see. Okay, here you can see that we have to print yes if the end of the 7 days starting from tomorrow, okay, is forecast to be sunny, and no if the day is forecast to be rainy. Okay, if uh, in the 7 day, okay, the nth day, if the nth day is sunny, then we have to print yes, else we have to print no if the forecast is rainy. Okay, so let's see here we have given some sample input and output. Okay, so let's suppose we have given n equals to 4. Okay, and we have given the string this. Okay, so let's suppose there is 7 days, that is 1 2 3 4, or else what we can do, uh, the indexing from indexing in string or array, it's basically by default start from 0. Okay, so that is 0 indexed. Okay, in the string or what we can say array, the indexing starts from 0. Okay, so let's suppose this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, let's suppose these are the 7 days. Okay, and we have given this forecast on each day. Okay, so we have given first 3 days, there is O. Okay, so let's say this is O, this is O, this is O, then X, then X, okay, then O, then again O, and then X. Okay, these are the string we have given, okay, or the forecast on daily basis. Okay, these are the forecast. Okay, so we have to find that on the fourth day, if there is a forecast is sunny, then we have to print yes. Okay, else if the forecast is rainy on the fourth day, we have to print no. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 0 means okay, so oh sorry, O, small O means sunny forecast. Okay, and small x, that means rainy forecast. Okay, so let's see here in this sample input. Okay, here is O, so this is let's say this is sunny forecast. Okay, again the second is O, again this is sunny. Okay, third is again it's O, that means on third day also it is sunny. Okay, and in the fourth day it is X, that means it is rainy forecast. Okay, and in the fourth day it is small O, that means it is there is sunny forecast. Okay, and let's say again on the sixth day it is again O, so it is sunny forecast. Okay, and then on the seventh day it is X, that means it is a rainy forecast. Okay, so we have to check that on the fourth day the what is the forecast. Okay, so let's say this is first day, this is second, this is third day, this is fourth day, this is fifth day, this is sixth day, and this is seventh day. Okay, so on the fourth day, we have to check that on the fourth day. So you can see that on the fourth day, the forecast should be rainy. Okay, so that means if the forecast is rainy, we have to print no. Okay, so in this sample input, we have to print no. Okay, here you can see that we have to print no. Okay, and let's see for this second sample input. Okay, we have given all O, that is O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we have to check that on the seventh day, what is the forecast. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so on the seventh day, the forecast should be small O, that means it is sunny. Okay, so if the forecast is sunny, then we have to print yes. Okay, so in this sample input, we have to print yes. Okay, so this is the sample problem statement which we have given. Okay, so uh, first let's remove this part. Okay. Okay, so let's try to understand how we can solve this problem. Okay, so we have to print the ith day, sorry, nth day. Okay, so what we can do, we have given one integer and one string. Okay, so simply what we can do, it is 0 indexed. Basically, for string or arrays, by default it is zero based indexing. Okay, so now what we can do, we have to print nth day. So here the indexing start from 0, so we have to print n minus 1th day, so that we can get the our required output. Okay, so let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so mm, what we can do, let's take the input scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, then we have given one integer number c dot next int. Okay, and one string, let's say str equals to sc dot next. Okay, now what we can do, we have to print if the nth, we have to check that if nth day is uh simply we have to check that if, here we'll write the condition, that is if the n minus, sorry, what we can do, here we'll write str dot caret of n minus 1th day is equals to small o. Okay, if it is o, that means it is the forecast is sunny, so we have to print yes in this case. Okay, and else we have to print no, system dot out dot print no. Okay, so this is the problem. This is the code for this problem. Let's see whether it works or not. So simply I'll copy this. Let's paste it here. Click on run. Okay, for this output should be no. Let's see. Add operand type for binary operator double equals to. Okay. So here we have to write this character in a single quote. Okay. Now let's see. For this output should be no. Okay, you can see that output is no. Let's see for this. I'll copy this input. Let's paste it here. Click on run. Yes. Okay, you can see that output is yes. Okay, now let's submit it. Okay, you can see all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so this is the simple code for this problem. Okay, so अगर that's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.